Okie dokie. Chainsaw to Little Bones. That's actually running good now. Okay, I want to try to be pinned on Little Bones. Not sure if it's gonna happen. I got a leak in the tire. Whoa. Oh yeah. Oh gosh. That wasn't a very good line. You can tell it's almost summer, it's getting loose. Nice. Ah! Oh, it's getting loose. All right, let's get a lap of full chainsaw, upper and lower. It is so loose today. Ooh, shoot. Quick tire check. Oh shoot, yeah. Okay, that's all sorted out. Forgot to check that at the top. Had a bit of a slow leak all day. Wow, you can notice the difference already. It was squirming a lot on those jumps. Oh, low line. Never tried that before. Oh. Okay, you gotta bear with me for this lower section. I have never tried that before. Oh. Yo, there's a step up there. Oh, I guess it's this way. Yeah, I've done it once before in the dark. Oh. Not familiar with it at all. Yo, that's jank. Just a lot of steep chutes on this trail. Very steep and loose. Oh! Okay, let's try to get that better. Oh! Yeah, so my tire just folded.